Starting a social media marketing agency can be a rewarding and lucrative business opportunity. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to start your own social media marketing agency. 1. Define your target market. Identify the type of businesses or individuals that you want to work with. This will help you focus your marketing efforts and attract the right clients. 2. Develop your skills. If you don't have prior experience in social media marketing, consider taking some courses or earning certifications to build your knowledge and skills. 3. Create a business plan. A business plan will help you map out your goals, target market, services, and marketing strategy. 4. Set up your business. Choose a name for your agency and register your business with the appropriate government agencies. You may also want to consider incorporating or forming a limited liability company, LLC. 5. Build a website. A professional website is essential for any business, and it's especially important for a marketing agency. Use your website to showcase your services, case studies, and testimonials. 6. Get your first clients. Network with local businesses and utilize social media to find potential clients. You can also offer discounts or free trials to attract your first clients. 7. Deliver results. Once you have clients, it's important to deliver tangible results in order to build trust and attract more business. Use social media analytics tools to measure your progress and demonstrate the value of your services to clients. 8. Expand your services. As your business grows, you may want to consider expanding your services to include other areas of digital marketing, such as email marketing, content marketing, or search engine optimization, SEO. 9. Stay up to date. The world of social media is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Consider attending industry events, reading relevant blogs, and taking continuing education courses to stay current.
If you want to see our videos before everyone else, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.